Although the last video was really fun to make, this one actually did cause me a little trouble, so I am going to have to explain what I did. I went into this assignment thinking that it would just be, 5 minutes and done, and I'd just make the video, but it actually took a lot more than that. I started out by using the good old flip the sign technique, and although that worked, I was left with a somewhat sinking feeling. I tried a bunch of things, like not applying velocity if the ball was too close to the ground, or adding some small amount of height every time it bounced. All of these resulted in what I dub the quicksand incident. Thanks to a friend in class, we figured out that giving the ball a little boost by subtracting acceleration for a single frame, it's enough to keep it bouncing forever.